This video demonstrates how to create a new purchasing group in SAP. The purchasing group serves as an organizational unit within purchasing and forms the basis for clearly assigning purchase orders, supplier contacts, or material groups. Start by executing the transaction SPRO to access the customizing environment. Then, click on SAP Reference IMG. From the menu path, select Materials Management, Purchasing, Create Purchasing Group. Alternatively, you can use the direct transaction code OME4, which opens the same area. Once the transaction is started, an overview of all existing purchasing groups in the system appears. To make changes or create new entries, switch to Edit mode by clicking the Display Change button located at the top left of the screen. To create a new purchasing group, click the New Entries button. An entry screen with several fields will open. In the field Purchasing Group, assign a unique 3-character key, for example, PM1. In the description field, enter a name such as Purch Machinery. Optionally, you can add additional information such as telephone number, extension, or contact person to clearly document the responsible buyer. After filling in all the necessary fields, click Save to store your entries. The system will then prompt you to confirm the relevant customizing request. Once this is confirmed, the new purchasing group is created and becomes available for purchasing processes. In addition to creating a new entry from scratch, there is also a second option. By clicking Copy As, an existing purchasing group can be duplicated and adjusted as needed. All filled fields will be transferred automatically to the new purchasing group, except for the 3-character key, which must remain unique. This allows similar structures to be created quickly, without re-entering all the data manually. The newly created purchasing group will now appear in the list, together with all other existing purchasing groups. With this, the setup of the purchasing group is complete. The system now provides an additional organizational unit within the purchasing process that can be used immediately in operational activities.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.